Hey beautiful people, today we are making a solid granny square. I'm going to show you how. So here we are using a charity double knit. It's a pushkin. It's 100 gram. It's required 3.75 millimeter. It's 100% acrylic, and it's also 343 caterpillar. We using 3.5 millimeter hook. We start by doing a slip knot. After you do your slip knot, we gonna chain 1, 2, 3, 4 chain. After we go to the first one and do a slip knot there. After we do the slip knot, we're gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna do a double crochet in our circle. You can do a circle the way you know how to do a circle, because there are other ways of doing a circle. So we're going to do a triple crochet because it's representing a cone. After that, you go back to double crochet. So basically the things that you're gonna do here is a double crochet, 3 double crochet, then you do your corner and go back to double crochets after a corner, 3 again, and then do another triple crochet. As you can see there, first, the second, and the third. So you're gonna go back to double crochet. So that's basically your pattern. You do double crochets. After double crochets, you're gonna go back to doing a triple crochet at the corner, and then continue with double crochets. That's basically the pattern that you're gonna use all along. It depends on you how many rounds you're going to make, but it's the same pattern that we're going to use over and over until we reach the level that we want for anything that you are basically doing. That's gonna be the stitch. So you at the corner, don't forget to slip stitch, and then you chain 3 after you slip stitch. After you chain your 3, you're making a double crochet again. Double crochet. Double crochet. And then, so by the corner you'll be increasing, you're going to do 3 double crochets and then 1 triple crochet. That's the 1, 2, 3. Then you go back to doing 3 double crochet in the same space, chain space. 1, 2, 3. After you do the 3, you continue doing your double crochets until you're gonna be reaching the corner. You keep on doing the double crochet. Go back to doing double crochets on each stitch across. After you do your double crochets, don't forget at the corner you do 3 double crochet in the same stitch, and then you do a treble corner, go along, we'll meet at the end. So at the end, don't forget to slip stitch. After you slip stitch, you're gonna chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then you go back, continue doing double crochet on top of each stitch until you reach the corner. Until you reach the corner. So it's good to know the basics, guys. These are the basics. We will learn how to do clothes after that, but now we have to know the basics. So don't forget that at the corner you do 3. That's the second one. That's the third one. 3 double crochet, and then you do a treble crochet in the same space. That's 1, 2. Pull out the third one and then go back to double crochet in the same space. Put in 3 double crochets in the same space. That's 2 and that's 3. And continue on top of each stitch you do a double crochet until you reach the corner again. You continue. It's the same pattern, guys. You repeat it over and over and over. So do that, guys, and then you'll see. It's a beautiful, quick, easy to do, and on top of that, it's beautiful. So yeah, do double crochets across. When you reach the end, the corner, you do 3 double crochet in the same space and do a triple crochet in the middle and go back to 3 crochet in the same space, guys, in the same space. And then you continue with your double crochets. So continue doing that. We'll meet at the end. So here we are at the end. We're just gonna slip stitch and then chain 1 and cut off your yarn. Hey, I forgot my scissor, but don't do that. Use a scissor, guys. Use a scissor to cut on, and after you cut, weave the ends. But this is basically it, and it's so beautiful. You can do it anyhow how you want to do it.